Hello, this is Tic Tac, and today I will be teaching you how to add cards in a YouTube video. So here I've got my creator studio. I have been to Video Manager and do videos, and here I can choose a video like this one, and I can go to cards. So these are just pop-ups here in the video. Hello! And we can do video or playlists, channels, polls, or links to another website. So let's start with videos. Here I can choose one of my videos or playlists. So it will make a pop-up with it. And then I can customize the text. So I can do custom message can be watch the fish tutorial playlist, and it says it's too long, so we can make something shorter because this might not fit. So let's go YouTube tutorial playlist, and then teaser text is the one that pops up. So watch other YouTube tutorials. So now we can create cards, and now we can put it somewhere. Like I could put it somewhere, maybe at the beginning. And here when we watch our video, hello, this is Tic Tac, and there's the cards icon here. Teaching you how to use subtitles. And then when the thing gets over to right now I'll choose cards, a video, and it pops up. Here we can watch our YouTube tutorials. So that's done, and then I can show you how to do a poll. So we can do a question like when, or maybe let's make it short. Best time to upload to YouTube, and then I can add questions. So morning, midday, afternoon, and evening and night. So what happens here, the person watching can choose when is the best time to upload a video to YouTube, and here they can vote. So what happens is, before it comes up one of my and best time to upload to YouTube, and we choose morning, midday, afternoon, evening, night. I like my videos uploaded in the morning, so I choose morning. So that's how this card works. And then you can do channels, so you can promote another channel, so you put the username or URL in, custom message, and teaser text as well. So I hope you enjoyed today's YouTube tutorial about cards. If you did, press the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.